In the wilds of the home where nothing is certain, the only question we have is, will you throw it again?
This dog keeps throwing his toy over the fence like this. So I'll pick it up and throw it over. Get to leave, right? Gonna go home? No. Drops it again. I can't just leave the toy. He's got me trapped. I'm gonna be here forever.
To fetch may seem to the discerning human being to be a futile exercise.
Stop it. What are you doing?
But for a dog riddled with zoomies, it is but that, absolutely vital exercise. While running keeps the muscles spry.
I agree.
Fetching is a deep necessity for pet parents and a supreme pleasure in our domestic world. Grace, mobility, sheer animal power. The game of fetch is one of the most important training tools a pet parent can employ to train dogs of all athletic levels. From the bouncing Canis Scooterinus to the wickedly quick lupine hot paws.
Right into the camera.
Fetch not only stretches the limbs and strengthens the character of a dog, but it is known to be an activity for testing their mental aptitude. Falling for the fetch trick separates the pups from the wolves. Ball or stick, or frisbee or shoe, no matter the item, fetch is a constant star for dogs to look forward when the day has been short on treats or the walks utterly devoid of new scents. To run out your sweet dogger's deep reservoirs of energy. On our domestic world.